Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna answer most common question asked by beginner copywriter. Question like, will AI replace copywriters? Do you need perfect English to become copywriter? And how long does it take to learn copywriting? And how do you know if you learn copywriting the right way? If you're a beginner and feel confused about copywriting, in this video, I'm gonna answer each question step by step. So let's start with the first question. First question, will AI replace copywriters? This is the biggest misconception among beginners. They think AI will take our copywriter jobs, but honestly it's totally myth. First, AI is just tool. It can help copywriter. It cannot understand human creativity or emotion understanding. And copywriting is not about just writing words. It's about human psychology, emotion, or persuasion. And AI cannot understand the customer the way human can. For example, companies are posting everyday jobs for copywriters nationally and internationally. If AI could replace the copywriter, they would not pay money to hire them. So it means businesses need real human copywriters. Remember this simple truth: AI is made by humans. Humans are not made by AI. So instead of being afraid of AI, you just need to learn how to use it as a tool. For example, you can use it for generate ideas, improve your writing, and polish your copy. For example, think about WhatsApp automatic message. When you place an order, you receive automatic replies. It's become frustrating, and you keep getting automatic responses. Your problem is not solved until a real human response. So that's a difference. Don't worry about it. You just need to focus on building your strong copywriting skills. Once you're good at writing, then AI will become a powerful assistant for you. And before we move to the next question, if you are enjoying this video, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Second question, my English isn't perfect, still I become copywriter. This is a question I get a lot of time, and I already mentioned in my previous video and starting of my videos that if you can read in English, write in English, and understand the English, it's totally enough to start. You don't need perfect English, because copywriting is not about perfect English. It's about communicating with people clearly. I often say, if only English speaking makes someone good copywriters, then every native speaker already would be a copywriter, but that's not true. So it's about understanding the people and their problem and communicating the solution clearly. And one more thing, it also depends on your audiences. If you write for UK, USA based clients, their way of communicating and phrases are different from your local audiences. But that's okay. You will learn by doing their audience search, reading their sales page, websites, or ads. But for practicing, I would recommend it that you start with your local brand and businesses, because it will much easier for you. So because when you start, everything looks already difficult. So start with the easy things. So if you learn English, write English, read English, that's the totally enough to start. So, and when you read sales page every day, it will improve your writing, and it will also improve your English. Most of beginners make this mistake. They wait for perfect moment to start, but they think everything must be perfect like their English, then they will start. But the truth is, perfect moment never comes. So start today, because you learn by starting first, then improving step by step. And if you want, I can also make video how can a copywriter can improve their English, specifically writing their copy. And let me know in the comment if you would like to see that video. Question number 3, how long does it take to learn copywriting? It totally depends on you. If you practice consistently every day, you start understanding copywriting about 3 months, and in about 6 months you become good at writing. So your progress depends on your effort and consistency. Question number 4, how do I know if I'm learning copywriting the right way? Most beginners think if they should buy books or courses, but as a beginner, you don't need to buy expensive courses or books, because theory without practice will confuse your mind. The right way to learn copywriting is step by step. So keep these 4 steps in your mind. First, you need to understand what copywriting actually is and how it's different from content writing, SEO, digital marketing, and content marketing, because many beginners confuse these skills with copywriting, but they are totally different skills from each other. And second, choose one type of copy. There's too many type of copy like email marketing, sales page, landing page, about page, home page, sales email, or cold email. But at the start, you need to choose one type of copy, and I personally recommended sales page or landing page, because when you learn how to write sales page, landing page, other type of copy will become easier for you. And this channel is all about sales page and landing page. And third, learn structure and pattern of the sales page, like headline, sub-headline, build-up section, problem section, benefit section, CTA, and solution section. watch tutorials, study examples, and try to write your own sales page. And in this channel I made a video on each section, so you can watch on my channel. Step 4, most important, consistent practice. Don't try to learn too many things at the same time. Focus on one skill, practice deeply, and improve step by step. Once you understand the basic, then other things like books and other resources will help you learn even more. But until then, just follow this channel step by step and keep practicing. Most of you also ask me how I create a portfolio and get my first copywriting client. This is a big topic, so I'll make a separate and full detailed video about that soon. Before I end this video, keep these things in your mind. Practice is everything. Follow this channel step by step, especially if you're learning sales page. Write and rewrite sales page until you really understand them, and no one will do the work for you, and your growth depends on your effort. Many beginners quit too early because they don't see result quickly, but copywriting is a skill that reward patience and practice. Everyone who is successful today started as a beginner, and they have also made mistakes. You need one big opportunity, task, or project to change your life. This stage is not for comfort, this stage is for learning, practicing, and growing. And I am here to guide you because I have also gone through the same struggle while learning and still struggling. And if you have a question, ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely answer them and even make a video about them. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and share with your family and friend who want to learn copywriting but feel confused where to start. And if you want to work with me or want a sales page or landing page for your business, find my contact details in description below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.